Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I really wanted to talk about the use of a flat tappet camshaft. Now this is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while because I've been seeing a lot of turbulence in some of the Facebook groups I'm in, whether it be small block or big block, Ford, Chevy, or Mopar, you name it. What I'm seeing is a lot of bad flack on using a flat tappet camshaft. A lot of the mentioned issues are basically just wiping out cam lobes, having to break the cam in, and they're saying flat tappet cams don't make power, and a number of other things that are really veering people away from even using a flat tappet cam to begin with. Basically, how a flat tappet camshaft works is by gliding the end of the lifter against the cam lobes to close and open the valves. A lot of people have had bad go-arounds essentially trying to break in a flat tappet camshaft, and what this ends up doing is it can actually ground out a lobe here, making it essentially round. What that does is it can throw metal throughout your engine and basically do all sorts of damage to your engine if the camshaft is not broken in properly. And a lot of people, unfortunately, do not follow proper procedure when trying to break a flat tappet camshaft in. One thing you always want to start out with doing is making sure you follow the instructions provided by the cam manufacturer. This can include removing the inner valve springs on the head to reduce seat pressure, or on lower spec cams where the valve spring seat pressure is not an issue, you should be able to break in as normal without touching your springs. Breaking in a flat tappet camshaft requires the use of assembly lube, which is usually left right in the box for you when you order a cam. What this allows is it allows the lifter to glide over the surface of the cam lobes as freely as possible during break-in. This is to ensure that the lifters wear properly to the surface of the cam lobe. You'll want to do this in addition to using a break-in oil with around 1200 to 1500 parts per million of zinc. Continuing to use an engine oil with zinc additive after camshaft break-in procedure as well. Once these fundamentals are met, you should be able to follow the instructions that came with the cam. Usually this consists of about holding 2000 to 2500 RPMs for 30 minutes on first startup, but this can also change depending on cam manufacturer. By skipping any of the steps above, you could very well end up with a flattened lobe on the camshaft, as many others have done before who choose to skip these steps. Now, I'm not here to tell you that a flat tappet camshaft is a better choice for your engine than a roller cam. When it comes to all-out performance, a roller cam will be better hands down, allowing much higher spring pressures for more lift and faster ramping speeds. This will equate to more performance with a properly spec'd cam. However, this being said, a flat tappet camshaft can most certainly be an awesome way to boost your engine's performance without having to spend over $1,000 to $2,000 on a roller cam kit. For example, a cam and lifter kit like this usually comes in around the $300 to $400 mark when it comes to flat tappets. And a lot of people do actually question the durability of using this type of camshaft over a long period of time. And I just wanted to show you a few vehicles that I personally own that have been using flat tappet cams for, honestly, some of them over decades. Now, the cam that I've been flaunting in front of you for this entire video is actually my personal cam that's going in my 1971 454 GMC. This cam sits in around the 550 lift range with, I believe, 236 at 50 duration. Same combination as what I have, however, just with rectangle port heads instead of oval port heads, which I'm going to be running. The exact same compression ratio managed to produce 507 horsepower and 538 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I don't know about you, but that's really no slouch and will more than likely blow by 90% of the people in other street cars. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link down below to that article. It's definitely worth the read, and it shows you that flat tappet camshafts can actually make power. I just wanted to make this video essentially to let you know if you're on the fence about using a flat Tappet camshaft just to save money, don't feel bad for skimping. This technology has been around for decades, and plenty of people have been running them hard for years without issue. If you found this video informational, please like and subscribe, and if you think I missed out on anything that I should have mentioned, please leave in the comments below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. And as always, have a great day.